Hey everybody, and welcome to Jewel Family Farms. Sunday afternoon, and it is hot here in Virginia, and it's muggy, and it's just miserable. So one of the things that we do to help keep our animals cool is, of course, we hose them down. So that's what we're doing to Apple right now, and got some big horseflies on him, but yeah, he loves this because he was some kind of hot. Poor thing. Terrible. But that's what we do. We hose him down really good. He loves it. So, like I said, it is really hot here right now. He's loving his bath. There's the goats over there in the field. We just finished feeding everybody, so everybody's calm and their bellies are full. He's enjoying some grass too. He likes to come out here and eat his clover. You liking that, Applejack? Huh? You liking it? Whew. Man, you just sweat standing still out here today. It's been like this for a couple of weeks now. Hopefully it'll turn a little bit in the next couple of weeks and get a little bit cooler, cool off some. You got to kind of get all the extra water off of your horse after you wash them down, wet them down real good. Well, boy, he's pretty, isn't he?
He's a pretty horse, that's for sure.
He's a good boy too. He's going to be, he turned 19 in April, on Scarlett's birthday actually. Their birthday's the same day. And he turned 19. We've had him, oh gosh, since Scarlett, well yeah, since he was 2 years old. He looks like he's got some scrapes down there on his inside leg. You see it? Yeah. Is it a fly bite or?
Yeah, I might go get some of the stuff and put on it.
I don't know where it is. I'm going to have to go find it.
I think it's above the dryer.
Oh yeah, that's right. I remember seeing it now. But yeah, we've had him since he was 2 years old. Big old horsefly up there. And it's funny because the first time when Scarlett was born, we took her down to the barn. She was just a couple of weeks old, and we took her down to the barn, and Applejack showed her to Applejack, and Applejack kind of licked the top of her head with his tongue. And ever since then they've been buddies, and she hasn't been far away from him in all these years. Man, the horseflies are terrible. Look at that. It's on the other side. If it bites him, boy, he'll take off. I'll get it if it comes on this side. Oh. I think it flew away that time.
Sorry, Apple.
He's used to it. He didn't even flinch. He knows that we're killing flies. Uh-oh, I heard somebody squawking over here. We haven't had the fox back anymore. I was out here for, I guess, well, me and Bobby came out one morning, Sunday morning. And I think it was last Sunday morning, and sat out here for an hour, over an hour I think it was, and no fox. So the next morning, Monday morning, I come out, and I sat out here and waited. No fox. Tuesday, Wednesday, no fox. So I guess he was pestering somebody else's chickens, and they took care of him. And that's the way it is a lot of times, because we can hear people that live over in there, in that area, like right over in that area, and there's some people that live up there, and I think there's some people that live back in here that have chickens, because we can hear them crowing in the mornings. And also, I think they have some livestock guardian dogs because we hear them barking a lot when that fox is around. So I think that livestock guardian dog, here's that horsefly over here again, alerts them. It's over here. Oh, I got it. Let me step on it. All right, I got it. But anyway, we hear the livestock guardian dog out there barking a lot, so I guess that, you know, he alerts them when there's the foxes come around or anything that could hurt their animals. So I guess somebody got him. Thank goodness. I'm glad, because I only I think I lost 3 chickens this year so far. Where's it at? I don't see it over here anywhere.
Took off and come back.
Oh, okay. But anyway, I just want to do a short little video today. I'll try to put one up on Sundays, you know. That's what I'm going to try to start doing. I'm going to try to start also doing a few pie videos on how to make pie and a few other things. I want to do some soap videos, and so I want to expand my YouTube channel a little bit. I just needed to get used to being retired for right now, and just kind of like taking care of my animals and getting them situated. And you know, it's really a life-changing event when you retire and you're not used to being home all the time. So it's taken me a little bit of time to get used to. But anyway, that's some of the plans that I have made or would like to make. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. That's, let's see. That's Hope. Yep, this is Faith. This is Faith. I finally figured it out. That's Faith. And that's Hope. She's a pretty girl. And they're just very friendly and sweet. Yeah. Hi, Hope. Hi, girl. Yeah, I know. Y'all are babies. Y'all are just the babies. Fat little babies. Look how fat they are. So, anyway, you can look me up on Facebook under Jewel Family Farms, and I have soap and jellies and things. And also, Flutter Pies and More is my other business website. Not website, Facebook page. I don't have a website up. I don't know. I just haven't had time to work on that still, and I don't quite know how to do it. And so, you know, I don't know. But anyway, if you need to order anything, you can go through that, or, you know, my number's on the website, and you can text me for orders. And also I have PayPal, so that can, and also I ship my soaps and my jellies. I don't ship pies because you just have to buy them fresh. I don't think they would ship very well, and I wouldn't feel comfortable shipping them. So anyway, check that out. And also I'm on Pinterest. I mean, not Pinterest. I'm on what is that? Instagram. I don't know the names of all these things. But anyway, take care, and God bless. Bye.